you so much for coming back here. Right, thank you so much, and I hope everything is good. Well, so right now let's go. Right, let's come into this session, and I hope you can hear me clearly. Well, today today I have a change of environment. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys can still hear me clearly. Okay. Right, okay, so yeah, first of all, let's come into with our MT4. Okay, let's see if our MT4 is still, yep, I think that's pretty good. Okay, now, okay, so let's volume up a bit. Let's volume up a little bit. Okay, yep. Okay, I think that should be good now. All right. Okay, so today, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'll go without a cam today. So let's go on with this. Okay. Yeah, hope everything is good. Now, hi Manwai, thank you for coming in, Manwai. Okay, so let's see. And let's see. Okay, shall we right now? Okay, since after all this, okay, I guess let's take a look at the pound dollar. I think last Friday was an NFP, right? Am I right? Okay, non-farm payroll. So this non-farm payroll, after the non-farm payroll, it was like a haha. Yeah, I was talking about this price 125.199. Am I right? After it breaks this, oh my god, all the way it went down until now, until today. Seems like it is still running very smoothly for the selling. Okay, so I guess this part here we will need to pay attention to them. I'm not going to sell this for the moment. I'm going to wait for a while. Alright, so let's see. Okay, first of all, let's come back here. Okay, let's come back here and let's have some planning about all this. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Okay, so for Aussie CAD, well, I think guess we are still in the bear, but today looks like the bear is actually going in with some retracement. So tentatively, I'll be looking into the Aussie CAD for some buying first. Okay, let's see. Last week we had touched this resistance here. Okay, we had tested onto this resistance, and over here, let's see. Are we going to have a good selling over here? Right here, there's about 16 pips. And tentatively, by looking into this area here, after this 16 pips, you're coming back into the support level over here. So I will say that likely, all right, this is going to be a support. If there's a selling chance, I will suggest that everybody should wait for the support here to be broken. Okay, if you are good at the scalping here, all right, I guess there should be some opportunity like now. Okay, I think I guess more or less we have missed out some. Okay, so there may be another level here to sell down. All right, to take this area, as we can see, there's an area here to be taken. Okay, so to be precise a bit, there's the lower wick of this area here. Okay, we are about 12 pips away. Okay, so for Aussie CAD at the moment right now, okay, I will suggest, okay, if you are going to sell this Aussie CAD, scalping of 5 pips, I think is still pretty safe. Okay, it will still be pretty safe. Other than that, I will suggest not to. Okay, all right, and let's see. Okay, let's see over at this point here. Alright, so for Aussie Cat, okay, hi MK, nice to see you here. Alright, so over at this point here, this Aussie Cat, there's still some space for selling, okay, but have a good quick scalping, I think will be still good. Okay, 5 to 8 pips, I think is still good. Okay, and there may be some pullback over into this area here. Alright, so this area here, so which is about the price of 0.88700, and that will be one area that we should be looking out for. Okay, yeah, so this area here, okay, this area here, yeah, so let's take a look at this area. Okay, 0.88700, then after that, let's see if there's a good chance for the selling. If not, then better don't sell. All right, for Aussie Cat, that's for the Aussie Cat. All right, okay, so let me pump it in. Okay, Aussie Cat. Yep, okay, so yep, for Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc, tentatively by looking into Aussie franc here, I don't suggest selling here, because it looks like I'm more onto the buying to test onto the resistance up here. Okay, you can see this whole lot of resistance, okay, where the previous support also become the resistance over here. So there's still good chance that there may be some selling. Okay, however, we need to wait for a while, okay, before we actually take action. Okay, yeah, so let's hold on for a little while. Okay, so for Aussie Yen, well, Aussie Yen over at this point here looks like Aussie Yen, we are actually going for a resistance. Right, we are actually going for a resistance. Then at this point here, resistance, we still need to wait for a while, but generally I would say that we are supposed to be in the bear. Am I right? Okay, so now we are in the bear, but we are still waiting for it to test onto the resistance. Okay, then before we actually take action. So there's still quite a good space up there. So let's see. Okay, over here we still have about 40 over pips to test on the resistance, which is our key levels to sell. Correct? Which is our key level to sell. So at this point here, I will advise everybody just hold on and wait for a while. Okay, yeah. All right. So for this, just wait for a while. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Wasim. Namaste. Today I cannot on my cam here, so yeah. So just I don't have a cam here. Yeah. So just bear with me today. All right. Tomorrow I'll be back again. Yep. Okay, so for Aussie dollar, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar over here, right? Aussie dollar over here, let's take a look. We are in the bear, right? Obvious, yeah. So where's the resistance that we are looking out for? Aussie dollar, I guess Aussie dollar over at this point here, it nicely touches, okay, and it started to slip off. I'm waiting for another, it seems that now we are actually coming up with another round of resistance, okay. Yeah, and now I will be looking out for selling will be highly possible today. Okay, after it breaks this support level. After it breaks this support level, we should have around let me see, 13 to about 20. Let me see, about 10 to about 17 pips there. Okay, so we should be looking out into this area here. After this area, I will be very keen into taking this area here. All right, this area will be better. Okay, 60 over pips to go. So we can actually pay attention to this Aussie dollar. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what's next there? Right, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie over here. Well, Euro Aussie, we are looking into the bull. Now we are in the transition that we are going to turn down into the bear. Okay, so at the moment, right now, okay, by looking into this, they started to sell off from here to this level here. Okay, so we can see that resistance has formed and actually tested one level to sell down all the way down. So let's see if this level of resistance over here, okay, will that actually, sorry, not here, here, okay, over at this point, will they actually hold it down? And we should be looking into this area about 73 pips down there. Okay, but at the moment, I don't suggest any selling yet because we are still in the bull. Okay, as we can see, the bull, okay, it is in the bull, but in the transition here, they're actually coming into this area. Okay, once it breaks through below this area here, yeah, then that is the area after 161,362. I think that will be good. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's skip this first. Well, EuroCAD, we are now into the bear. We just entered into the bear, so good for selling. All right, it should be good for selling over here. However, we are still on the support over here. All right, EuroCAD. So EuroCAD, is it still good for the selling? I would say, yep. If I'm going to break the support at this level of 143,411, then I will continue the selling. All right. So we still have about 25, no, less than 25, about 20, maybe about 20 pips. Okay, about 20 pips there. Let's see, 20, about 19, 20 pips. Okay, 19 to 20 pips. After that, I think it will be good selling. All right. So EuroCAD, yep, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, yeah. So for Euro Yen, well, Euro Yen, let's take a look. Euro Yen, well, it has turned into the interchange, making a change of trend to come along with the selling. All right, so it's still forming in the we are still in the bull, running up into testing on the resistance. Now coming back into a transition from the bull to the bear. So now for Euro Yen, we are still waiting for it to form up the resistance. Okay, tentatively where I see there's still good space up there to come before it actually comes along with the resistance. So let's be patient and we shall wait for a little while. Okay, all right. So for Euro, okay, Euro Kiwi, well, Euro Kiwi over here, well, Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So buyers can take note because they are looking for support and they are ready to boom up again. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a while. Okay, unless it breaks this level, unless it breaks this level of support, okay, which are a bit too high, too far away, about 50 over pips to go. All right, about 50 over pips to go. So if I'm going to sell this Euro Kiwi, I would suggest that we will wait for a little while more. Okay, but if you are good at scalping over into this area, right, then probably yes, you can take a look, but it's a bit too risky because we are still in the bull. Okay, so how about Euro Dollar? Let's take a look at Euro Dollar. Well, Euro Dollar once again over up here. Okay, nicely into the interchange and turning down into the bear, working on the bear from the interchange into the transition, and finally it broke and it went down all the way for the past few weeks, and now finally, okay, because of an NFP, okay, I see. All right, it boomed up a little bit last week, and now we are meeting up with the resistance up here. All right, so into this one lower highs here to start to swing down once again. So at this area here, we were talking about this area, am I right? Okay. Okay, so I guess that was MK, am I right? Okay, I think it's MK, huh? Okay, we were waiting for the Euro Dollar to get into this area. This is a profitable area, but last week I guess there's a period of time that it went through and then it comes back. So this area has been taken out. Okay, so nicely taken out from our target. Will it actually comes back here, okay, as a support to retest this area? I would say that highly possible. Okay, highly possible once again. Okay, it seems like they are going to take this support as a mark, okay, as a magnet over there to form up the support, okay, before it actually start to boom up. Okay, so in this area here, all right, in this area here, I will say that we need to look out for this support area, right? As we can see, we have a resistance starting to form up here as a trending. Okay, if this is going to break below, all right, it should be we are still in the trending market. So after we are still in the trending market, okay, we should be looking out for the buying, okay, to retest as a resistance to continue the selling down. All right, so still a very good one to go. Okay, so about 38 pips to go. So Euro Dollar, I will still be looking into it for selling. Okay, I'm going to put this into the into my market, into my watch list. All right, okay, yep, okay. So Pound Aussie, yeah, Pound Aussie, yes, Pound Aussie over at this area here. All right, Pound Aussie. Okay, so we are very obvious. We are still in the bull, turning down into the transition. So we are looking into this area here. So support is still quite far away, okay, and the resistance is up there, but we are still in the bull, okay. So tentatively, I would suggest that any selling I will avoid it, okay, because this may be quite risky, okay. Let's see over at this point here, okay, one level here, okay, we can see, okay, resistance over here, touches the resistance, and now we are looking into the support area that where it will actually start to have some turbulence here. So if I'm going to break this area here, then likely we are going to have another 60 pips to go, but let's wait for it to break. Okay, we need to break this area first. Okay, we need to break this before we actually can go on the selling. Okay, that is about 188.012. okay, so that is one. Okay, so guys, do take note. All right, hi Alan Wood, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. All right. Okay. All right. So next to go, Powcat. Well, Powcat looks like a Powcat. We are still in the bull, but turning down into in the area of transition, breaking through. We have broke through this area. Am I right? So for the past few weeks, this area was very tough. So after it broke through, okay, as a distribution, and now it came back as into the distribution area. So this distribution area, okay, all right, seems like it's actually going down to look out for this accumulation area. All right, so tentatively there isn't any yet that can be found. All right, so let's see if this is going to take down this. All right. So looks like it's still pretty good. Okay, we still have about 30 to 40 pips to go. So for Powcat, I guess for this area here, we can still be looking out for this. As we can see from the top here, we actually bump into the resistance, and now breaking into the support. Actually came down. All right. After this area here, it still form up one resistance. As we can see from the left side, is all the support that actually become the resistance. So I guess this is still pretty good for Powcat. We can still be looking out for the selling. Okay, all right. So I will be putting Powcat into my watch list. Okay. All right. So how about PowFranc? Okay. Once again, PowFranc, we are still in such a situation over here. So dilemma. I'm not going to touch this. Okay, I'm going to stay away from that. Right, for Pound Yen. Well, Pound Yen, very straightforward. We are still in the bull. Okay, the bull is still taking the right, so I'm not going to take this into my consideration today. There may be some pullback. All right, there may be some pullback. So for Pound Yen, I see some pullback opportunity over here. The pullback. Well, just a bit, all right, just a little bit, not much, okay, but then 26 pips there. So at the moment, if you're really good, then you can go. I'm not good at this, so I better stay away. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to skip that. Okay, Pound Kiwi, all right, Pound Kiwi, we are in the bull. It's very obvious, we are still in the bull. All right, we are still running into the bull. So tentatively, seems like this bull is actually going to slip off to look out for some support. Okay, so once again over here, and as for the support area here, I'm looking into this area here. Okay, which is why this is what we are right on now. Okay, so I will say that let's hang on for a little while. Okay, so I'm going to skip this. But buyers can take notes. Once it's set up for the support, it should be going back up to 27,229. Okay. All right. Pound dollar. Well, so let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, as for pound dollar over here, we are actually now from the bull, one wave up and pushing still further up over here. But after that, we can see this actually forming up and forming a downward trend over here to break into the bear. Well, we are into the bear. Unfortunately, it boomed up again after the support has met. Then it went up to touch the resistance, and after that, it started to swing down. Right, this swing down over here, as we can see, I think this is also affected by the non-farm payroll. All right, last Friday, okay, last Friday, as we can see, I didn't come. I didn't come. It's okay, all right. Okay, so last Friday, it actually came into this area and hover around this area, this region for the one whole morning. Am I right? Okay, so it actually didn't really work out so well until non-farm payroll. It breaks through 125.911. 199. So after that, it started to swing down until here. Okay, it looks like it should be still good. Okay, it should be still good. Okay, let me erase all these. There are a bit too many lines, right? Okay. Okay, so let me erase this. Okay, and bring out my lines here. All right, so we are still looking out into the support over here, and we are still quite. Let me shift this up. Okay, let me take this. Okay, so with this, we can see, all right, over at this point here, it seems like we are still going to look out for the supports down here. Okay, so we should be looking out into around this area here. Okay, so this area, yeah, I guess this is the area that we are looking out for when we are pretty near to the support area, which is about 9 pips away. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. If I'm going to continue the selling, I will have two areas to look out for. One is to break 124.069 below, then I will continue the selling. All right, after you retest this area. If not, it should be going out for the buying. All right, it should be going out for the buying, and the buying, I'll be looking out into this area here, whereby the buying should be coming up to this area here. All right, so let me check. Yeah, it should be in the around 124.77 all right, to about 124, not 174, sorry, 124.925, 124.925. Okay, so I'll be waiting for a buying to come in a little bit to meet up with the resistance. Then I will continue the selling. Okay, so it's still good. It's still good to look out for the selling because we still have pretty good space down there. Okay, so one area here. Okay, another one area here. All right, another one area here. This level, once it breaks through, we have a good time. We should have a good time for the selling. Okay. All right, so for pound dollar, okay, I will still be putting this into my watch list and take a look later on. Okay, yeah. Okay, so how about the dollar CAD? Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over at this point here, dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, as we can see, dollar CAD over at this point, well, it looks like we are coming into the bear. All right, looks like we are coming into the bear after it tested onto the resistance. Have been waiting for quite a while, and now over here. So the selling came in as well during the last week. Okay, last week was a pretty, I guess that was pretty good. Okay, on the non-farm payroll that side. Okay, then after that it started to hover around this area, as we can see, because it hits on the support. Am I right? It hits on the support area. So tentatively, if it brings down into the state of selling, but I guess today is going to have some retracement. Okay, and this retracement, first of all, we are going to look out for this area here. Okay, this area here. Well, about 18 pips to go. Excuse me. If this area here is going to test, okay, and at the price of 134.579, okay, then if this is going to hold as a resistance, yes, I will continue the selling here, about 45 pips. However, if this is going to break above, it's going to go crazy. Okay, and the recovering, the reclamation will be coming in. Okay, so I will say that tentatively, okay, let's observe first. Okay, because dollar CAD, no matter what, right now is going up to look out for the resistance. Okay, and if this is going to break above, it will still continue to go up. Okay, so buyers can take note, but sellers have to stay away. All right. For dollar franc, well, dollar franc, we are in the bear. So the bear has actually broke out of the structure and now coming into the buy. All right, so now tentatively, okay, we are approaching this resistance. Okay, so I guess that is one that dollar franc I'm going to stay away from selling, but buyers can take note. However, we are so very near to the resistance, so for this area here, buyers, even buyers who are looking for buying, do take note. We still have 44 pips to go. Okay, so that's for the buyers. Sellers have to stay away. All right. Okay, so hi Andrew, nice to see you. Okay, so yeah, Andrew, is this the first time you're here with me? Where are you from? Okay, so over at this area here, for dollar yen, okay, so we have been talking about this since early March. No, not early March, sorry. Mid-April, I think. Yeah, I think it's about mid-April here. Yeah, we are actually looking into buying. Okay, so for the dollar yen, we are still on the buy side. Okay, we are still buying into this area of a resistance. Okay, so at this area here, let's wait for this to be tested before we go for the selling. So buyers, it is still your day to call for a buy. Okay, all right. So yeah, okay, yes, MK, we can't see you today. Okay. Yeah, today I have a change of environment, so today I don't have my cam with me. Alright, I don't have my cam with me today. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, okay. Hi Andrew. Oh, you're from Singapore. Wow, nice city. Thank you for coming in. Alright. Okay, so once again, okay, and let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, we have reached our target of 27.35.1 over here, and as we can see, we plotted this for quite some time ago, and it hits into the 27.351, and after that it started to slip off. Okay, and well, still on the down slope until looks like we are still looking into this. We are still looking into this area here, alright? So yeah, okay, 26.499 about. Okay, let's make it 26.5. Yeah, likely 26.5. Okay, right. For those who actually bought in at the price of 16, am I right? The last round we actually bought in at 16, am I right? So we are still holding on it, right? Okay, so I guess this area is still pretty good. Okay, but I will say that if we are actually, if that actually hits below, okay, it hits below to 25, I think that is not a very good sign from there. Okay, it hits on the 25.8, and I think that it should be the maximum tolerance. I will say that's the maximum tolerance to hold on to this Bitcoin. Okay, all right. Okay, so as for the gold. Well, the gold last week, okay, let's have a little recap on the gold last week. We have two target areas for the buy side. We have cleared the buy, okay, it hits into the highest point where we can see over at this area here. It hits into this area of 1983, and after it started to swing down to our selling area of 1946. So these two area has been cleared. Okay, so these two area has been cleared. We have taken out all this area. So I'm going to erase this, and we're going to replot where it will be going again. All right. So as for the gold, okay, I think yeah, okay, we have one gold super gold trader here. Okay, Carlo, I'm not sure if he's here. Okay, so let's see if this is going to be once again where the gold actually will be coming down to about 1932. Okay, 1932, around 1932. Let's be exact. Okay, let's be exact. Okay, let's see. Oh, 1937. Okay, 1937. Yep. Okay, about 1937. So 1937 over here. Okay, so that should be one. Okay, so we still have a very good space down there. Let's take a look about 55. Okay, I think that's still quite good. Okay, that's still quite good. Okay, so yeah, that's for the goal. All right, so yeah, so that should be all for today. Let's see. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Alright, so there are some, I will be setting out some of the currency pairs that I will be focusing, and all these, you know what? Okay. All these currency pairs, there are some currency pairs that we are going to wait for some. We'll be looking out for some, you know what? Some retracement to test onto the resistance into the key levels before we start selling, as we are sellers. Am I right? Okay, for me, I'm a sellers, so I'll be waiting for a good chance. Okay, we'll be waiting for a good chance. Okay, to go on the selling. Okay, so we need to sell at the key levels, which is the selling, which is at the resistance. Okay, so be patient to wait. Okay, to make sure that we actually manage to wait and until a point where it's time to sell, then we start selling. Okay, all right. Yeah, waiting is always the journey. Okay, trading is not difficult. Okay, as the old timers always goes this way. Okay, trading is never difficult. All right, trading is never difficult. It's only the time where we are waiting for the right trade. That is the most difficult one, correct? Okay. Okay, hi Eileen, nice to see you here. Thank you very much, okay, for coming in. I love this pig, so cute. Are they pigeon or are they goose or are they duck? They don't look like duck. All right, yes, hi Sabrina. Thank you so much for coming in. Leonard, hi Leonard. Oh, it's been a while, Leonard. Yeah. Oh, waiting for me to come back. Oh, come back. Okay. Yeah. I will be back very soon. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this year, okay. Yes, this year, one of my trip will be in Korea. Yeah, one of my trip will be in Korea, so I shall see you there. Thank you, Leonard. 감사합니다. I should say that right. I should use this kind of vocal. 감사합니다. Thank you, Leonard. All right. Okay. So, yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Hubert. Yeah, okay, I know. Okay. Yeah, okay, yes. Alright, guys, once again, have a little announcement, okay, for people who are with me, okay, right now, okay. So, this week I'll be going live streaming for likely on to the Thursday, all right? So I cannot confirm the Friday yet, okay, because the event has not been confirmed. So let me get a confirmation, all right? Then after that will be away for nearly 2 weeks. Then I'll be, let me take a look. Okay, so I will be back likely on the 26th. Okay, I'll be back on the 26th of June. Okay, all right. So yeah, just a little notice for everybody, so that everybody will get ready. Okay, okay. So while I'm not around, okay. While I'm not around, okay. Okay. Well, you guys can still do it well, do it good. Okay, so. For those who have not into with my Discord community, okay, probably, yeah, you may want to during this period of time, yeah, you may still be able to communicate with each other, to share your ideas there, you know. Okay, all right, okay. So yeah, and once again, okay, let's see, right. Oh, don't be sad, my dear. My dear MK. Okay, so yeah, right. Okay, I'm always around. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me see. Yeah. Okay, so yep, this is the link to the Discord. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. So anyway, on the 26th I will also be in a different environment. So very likely and very likely I will still be still see all of you together. Okay. Yeah. So keep it up in the June. All right. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we can still do it good, do it well. Okay. Yeah. Keep it going. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so wow, I didn't know so many of you actually have a Discord, huh? I don't even have Discord, you know what? Alan and Mark. My god, Mark. Hi JJ. Hi, nice to see you. Yeah. Thanks for the updates on your mini break. I'm not having a mini break. Okay, so yeah. This year I will have a lot of flying trip. Okay. Yes, Leonard. Yes, one of the flying trip is to you. Okay. Yeah. Sabrina. Yes. Oh, I will. Yeah. Okay. We will see each other also very soon. Okay. Yeah. Philippines. Yeah. I will let you know. Okay. Anyway, this week we are actually. This week, the whole team is back in Singapore, so we are going to have a very hardcore meetings for June. Yeah, during the June period, June to the September usually is our hardcore meeting to plan for the 2024. All right. So during the September to the December, okay, we are going to plan for the internal, okay, into every different countries, right? Okay, so you guys know. Okay, so yep. Well, anyway, that comes along the way. I will keep you guys updated. Okay, so hi JJ, are you in my Discord? I'm not sure. Are you in the Discord? Okay, so yep. I hope. I just realized Discord. I don't know whether Discord is better or Telegram is better. Let me test it out this time round. Then after that, then when I come back, let's see is Discord better or Telegram is better. Okay. Yeah. Well, anyway, talking about Telegram, Discord is better, huh? Okay. Okay, anyway, talking about Telegram, just a small talk. I guess if you search my name in the Telegram, there are people can do a lot more things than compared to Telegram. I see. Okay. Thank you, Alan. I'm not very well versed with all these Discord, Telegram, all this. But anyway, there's we are aware that Telegram, okay. There's somebody, okay, I think forging me in the Telegram, okay. I guess I think some of you should know. Okay, yeah. So just let all of you know, all right, in the Telegram, okay, the person who are actually collecting the funds, okay, for any investment, in the cryptocurrency, into gold, okay, trading, all this, okay. As a mem, okay, as a mem account, all right, MEM or even PAM, okay, there's nothing to do with me, huh? I don't do such thing, okay. I don't have license to do all these things, okay. So I am just like you. I'm only a trader, okay. So yeah, I don't do such thing, all right. So that's not me, okay. That's not me. That's our information, okay. But well, some people may ask me, so why don't you, report this? Well, I don't have to report this, okay. If he's doing good, he's giving me more more advertising. Okay. All right. Okay, just a joke. Okay. Anyway, I don't bother about all this, huh? But just to let you guys know. Okay, just in case. Okay, just in case. All right, just in case you happen to think that happen to see something like this. Feel free to drop me a message and let me know to clarify. Okay, to clarify with me so that I will be able to. I am the only person you can justify, huh? Okay. You know why? Okay, because I'm the founder. Okay, I'm the founder. So basically, I know, right? Okay, so yep, let's come back here. Well, London has opened, so let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, I'm actually waiting for pound dollar to have a good selling opportunity. As we can see, pound dollar is since last week. Okay, last week it has already started selling off, and now it's still selling off since this market opening. Until into the Japan hour, it is still into this area, correct? So it has dropped about 17 from this area here. Okay, so should be looking into this area. It looks like pretty okay. But again, since we are now looking into this low here, okay, the lows has been taken, correct? The Asian low has been taken. So then I guess it's about time. Okay, so it's about time that it's about time to go for a buy. Very likely, all right. It's very likely it's going to go for a buy. Okay, so let's see. Let me see. Okay, so about there, very low liquidity today, correct? Very low. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, so low. The liquidity is very low. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to take this area, the highs here. Okay, the opening up there. Okay, so looks like this area here. Okay, and looks like okay, we have a lot to wait. Okay, we have a lot to wait. Okay, so let's hold on for a little while. Okay, let's hold on for a little while so that over at this point here we can see. Okay, we can see that this is actually into the area. Okay, that we should be looking out for some pulling back. Okay, we have some pullback here. I'm looking into this area here. If this is able to hold as a resistance to come back here to set up the support, yes, I will be looking out for the selling, which the price will be looking out at 124.251. Okay, 124.251 to 254. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so 124.254 to 124.251. So this is the area that we are looking out. Okay, we are looking out. So into this area, as we can see, this area, there are all the supports. We can see very clear, correct? Okay, so quickly, let's move again to pound CAD. So pound CAD over here looks like this has actually pulled down. Okay, then let's take a look. Same thing. All right, support. Give me the support. Okay, support. We still have some area here. Okay, so let's see. Yes, egg yolks. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna make fun of you. Okay, you're so cute. Okay. iKios. Well, wow, you and Lennon. Well, the two of you comes together. Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay. Do you know something? Can you change a name for me to pronounce it better? Each time when I try to pronounce your name, you know what? I have a tongue twister challenge, you know. Okay, so after that my tongue got twisted. Yeah. All right, and over at this point here, as let's see what is this what we can have here. Okay, so for pound cat over here, we'll be looking into this area. I'm very keen into looking into this area of selling here. All right, this area of selling is very it's another round, okay, over here to meet up with as a resistance. So the price is about 166,866. Okay, so this is one over here. Then I will be looking into this area to as a resistance. But of course, if this is going to break above, buying is still highly possible. Okay, it is still highly possible. All right. Okay. Yeah. So still right now we are supposed to wait. Okay, we are still supposed to wait for a little while more, because at the moment we are still at the support area, right? So not very it is still not into a very good situation for any of the action, like buying, okay, or selling. Okay, yeah, so yeah, just wait for a little while. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's see what do we have next. Euro dollar. Well, euro cat. Okay, let's take a look. Euro cat. Okay, euro cat over here. Whoa, looks like not bad. Okay, we still have quite a good space down there, about 16 pips. Okay, 16 to 13 to 16, huh? Let's take a look. Okay, that's nice. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's nice. Euro cat. Okay, euro cat over here. Oh, it has it ran about 5 pips. Okay, month-wide, yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Let's take a look. Euro cat. Okay, bring my working line down. Okay. Okay, Euro cat, guys. Yeah, Euro cat. We are looking to Euro cat. The selling point. Okay, we have a selling area here which touches on the resistance. Okay, and started to sell down now, which is looks good, about 5, and over here. Have you sold? Month-wide, we have about 10 pips. These 10 pips here, you have to watch out for a little bit, because okay, this area here at the price of 143.55.6, 143.55.6, this area here may have some turbulence. Okay, if this able to break, okay, then it will still be good. Okay, it will still be good to go down to 143.411, which we have about another total about 20 pips to go. Okay, total about 20 pips to go. Right? Yeah. Oh, well done. Congratulations, Manwai. Good. Very good. Good job. Okay. Yep. Yep. So, yep. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. What is your TP price? What is your TP price?很不错，这张单子很不错啊。Okay, so yep, 143.589, 589. Okay, we are getting close. Okay, we are getting close to 589. 143.589. Very good. Okay. Eurocat TP. Okay. Congratulations, Manwai. 很好. Wow, not bad, huh? Very good. Well done. Okay, congratulations. Well, very nice. Okay, so yep, that's for the Eurocat. Okay. 好吧，那很好。Okay. So nice. Okay. I'm late for that, so I didn't enter. Okay, yeah, my SOP, huh? Yeah, it's your SOP. Yes, very nice. Okay, Eurocat. Okay, well, very good, very good. Very good, huh? Why have you hit 100% returns already? The other day you were saying it's 80%, right? Or have you hit 95%? Okay, let's well done for Euro CAD. Okay, so for Euro dollar, okay, looks like a Euro dollar we not yet. Okay, I'll keep it going. Okay, don't have to aim for the target. Okay, don't aim the target. Okay, anyway, don't set any target for that, huh? Okay, not what I mean is that don't set 100% returns. Okay, as a target. You should set the target as in a daily. Okay, into a daily, and from in the daily targets. Okay, break it down into each trade. So all in all, okay, generally, okay, put your target into each trade, and your target is to enter a correct trade according to your SOP, according to your trading structure. Okay, so that is the target. Okay, that is the most important part, because once you got it, okay, once you enter the trade according to your SOP, according to your structure, yeah, and that will naturally gives you the profit, and the profits will grow over time to meet your general target. Okay, so that is the main point. Okay, well, yeah, focus on each trade first. Very good, very good. Well done, well done. Okay, keep it that way, keep it that way. 很好啊，加油加油啊。Okay, yep. So that is one. Okay. Well, let's see, and let's see what is this euro dollar. Okay, we are going to look at euro dollar. Well, for the euro dollar over at this point here, looks like we are coming in. This looks like we are coming back into this area, right? Okay, so we cannot look into this area anymore. Okay, we're going to erase this. Okay, this has been taken out. So now, okay, I'm looking into this area of support so that it will comes in here to set up a very firm concrete support. So this may still be the area that we should be looking out for. All right. Then again, is that let's do this. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, from here to here. Okay, we have one support level here. So we still have about 24 pips to go. So with this area of with this area of support over here is trying to break out of this support, am I right? But it has not break out yet. So at this point here, okay, let's wait for this euro dollar to break out of this area of support. Okay, then after that, now it's retesting, am I right? So after it retests, there may be a chance to go for another round of selling again. Okay, there may be another round of selling once again. So in this case, over at this point here, if there's a good chance that the selling is coming in, yes, we can be looking out for about 24 pips, right? Yeah, about 24. Okay, about 24 pips. Okay, but to be exact here, all right, to be exact, okay, we to look out into this area, all right. 24 pips is an area that we are looking out, okay, to take that. Okay, so after that 24, then we should be looking out into this area here. There's another 33 pips to go. So on all is about 50 plus to 60. Okay, but however, we still need to wait for this to form a resistance. Okay, so if this is not forming any resistance, don't go. Okay, don't go yet. All right. But yep, okay, for yes, pound dollar. Yes, I don't understand about the pound dollar. Why are you waiting for a buy rather than a selling? Okay, over at this point here, as we can see, all right, as we can see here, you can see at this point here, last week, okay, let's take a look at last week. So last week we are actually hovering around here, and after the non-farm payroll comes along, it went down all the way. Okay, is to recover this area. Am I right? Is to recover this area. So tentatively, like I say, okay, it may have a good chance because right now we are on the support. We may have a good chance of buying up there, all right, to test onto the resistance to form in the trending market before we can start selling. Alternatively, if this price is going to break below the support of 124.069, you can continue the selling. Okay, I didn't say that. I did say that the buying is still possible. So 124.254 after it breaks, okay, if you have a good chance to continue to go on the buying, all right, you will still have a good chance to go on the buying, all right, up there. So it may comes into this area about 55 pips of 124.774. Then after that, it may still continue the buying, all right. Then again is that okay. But if this is the case that it breaks above this area, which means it breaks the structure, okay, it breaks the structure, then we will continue the buying. However, situation like now, because just now we were in this previous 1 hour candle, which is very near to the support, So since we are very near to the support and we want to sell, okay, we should be waiting for a rebound, okay, some pullback to meet up with key levels of resistance. Then we go on the selling. Okay, if not, then we can wait for a breakdown. Okay, after a breakdown, okay, of this support, then after that, okay, then we go on the selling. Okay, so right now it seems like it's breaking the support. Am I right? It looks like it breaks the support. So allow it to retest this support as a resistance. If this support able to hold this if this area able to hold as a resistance, then it may have a good chance to continue the selling once again. Okay, but if this is not, okay, it may continue to go up, okay, to take a higher resistance before it starts selling. Okay, but when it goes up, if it breaks this area, okay, 124.25.4, right, 124.25.4, then it may have a good chance to go further up to proceed on their reclamation for the NFP. Okay, so that is one point there. So in that case, right, that is one point that we should be very careful. Okay, right. So along the way, as we are trading, there are situations. Okay, I'm a situational trader. So basically, we need to understand the situation. Okay, before we actually can take action. Okay, I always look at the situation. I always assess the situation. Okay, so after assessing the situation, and I know after assessing the situation, usually you will have an answer, a clearer picture, okay, on how it should go. Okay, then where you should enter. Then all we need to do is to wait for the plan to come. Okay, wait for the chart to go into our plan. So along the way, while we are waiting, just in case we got FOMO, we will have some chit chat. Am I right? Okay, we'll have some chit chat. Okay, chit chat. Okay, yeah. So chat away the FOMO. Okay, and our chatting. Okay, also you like now you can ask me questions. Okay, and from there, then we can while we are chatting, we are answering questions. At the same time, we are learning. Then we can also get some knowledge, and the best part is we can get the FOMO away. Okay, that's the most important part. Okay, yeah. Okay, so looks like we are coming into a point that is going to get rebound very soon. Okay, some rebounds is coming in very soon. Okay, some rebound is coming in very soon. Wow. So don't you feel any pain if it's now selling down like this? Selling down like this. Let me see. Oh, 13 over pips, 14 pips. Ooh. Okay, what do you think? EU, Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar, MANWI. Wow, another good one. Okay, that's nice. Wow, that's good. Wow, good. A lot of traders are selling down now. Well, seems like well, it's coming also. Euro dollar is coming, yes. Euro dollar, yeah, tested nicely into our point here. Okay, so Euro dollar, good chance of selling. Euro dollar. Euro dollar. We have about 11 pips to 16. So scalpers, get ready. Okay. Scalpers. Okay. Yeah. Oops, I'm sorry guys. Okay. Sorry, I accidentally clicked on something. Click on the server, right? Yeah, I think I clicked on the server. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let's see. Okay. Euro dollar is 1. Okay, let's wait. No, 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 not now, not now. Not yet. Okay, not yet. Yeah. Euro dollar. Okay, we have about another about 18 pips of space. It depends on where did you enter. Okay. Yeah, not yet. Almost there. Euro dollar, huh? Euro dollar, we come into a support. Yeah, one of the support. Yes. Okay. Near to a support. Okay. Alright. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Okay. For euro dollar, make sure for this case, it make sure it has to close below. Huh? It has to close below. It has to close below. Okay, it has to close below the low here, which is about 106,853 to 106,832 around there. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's go Aussie dollar. Hi Sauce Ceramics. Thank you for coming back. Okay, so Aussie dollar. Oh, very similar to euro dollar. Okay. Yep, euro dollar. Yep, euro dollar looks good now. Okay, euro dollar looks good now. And let's take a look at Aussie dollar quickly. Okay, for Aussie dollar, it looks like we are around here. Then for Aussie dollar, we have about 9 pips of space. 9 pips of space, and it looks good. Aussie dollar also looks good. Also looks good. Aussie dollar also looks good. Yep. Okay, we have about Aussie dollar also looks good. Okay. To let me see if about 10, 15. Hang on, Aussie dollar, a little bit more. Wait, euro dollar should be good. Okay, euro dollar is better now. The space is better. Okay, I come back in a while. Okay, euro dollar is good. Okay, looks like euro dollar is good. Okay. Well, euro dollar is good. Okay. Euro dollar. Okay, looks like euro dollar we still have a good space down there. Aussie dollar. A little bit more. Okay, just hang on. Just a little bit more. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks like that's still quite tight. The space is still quite tight because of this area here. As you can see, this area is a form of support. Here. So Aussie dollar a bit more. Okay, for Aussie dollar, let me use this. Okay, Aussie dollar wise, okay, it will be good to take this area. Okay, we have 20 over pips to go. This area here. Okay, it will be good. About 20 pips area here. We have about 20 pips area. It will be good. Okay, but along the way, I mean, of course, when it comes to this area, we will still have this area to trade. Am I right? About 30 pips to go. Okay, but just be careful because there's much more turbulence area than euro dollar. One area is this area here. Okay, so into this part here, you have quite a tough journey for the Aussie dollar. Okay, for the Aussie dollar, you have quite a tough journey for that. Okay, yeah, but if you're looking out for selling, okay, let's say it pull back. Let's say this pullback, okay, into this area here, right? You can see there's a resistance over into this area. So when it goes down, you have much more space to take. Okay, if this goes up, you have about 17 pips to take. I think it will be better. Okay, I think that will be better. Okay, yeah. For euro dollar, let's come back here. Euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar looks like a euro dollar. Oh, euro dollar. Yeah, okay. So let's see if this euro dollar. Anyone enter for the euro dollar here? Did anybody enter for the euro dollar at this point here? Okay. Okay, for euro dollar over at this area here, looks like we are also not getting out of this area here, which seems like still support over at this point here. Coming in for support here. Okay. Right. Source ceramics. Okay, so if you entered into the euro dollar, which just now the euro dollar over here, there's one entry here. Okay, one entry here, or this entry here. Okay, then you have to take note of this level. Okay, then you have to take note of this level. Okay, so this level here, all right, if this euro dollar is going to break out of 106926, okay, take note, this area will be the stop area. Okay, once it breaks through, it comes back to set up a support above 106926, then it should be going for a buy. Then that is the stop area, right? So if this is going to stop around this, below this 106926 area, it should be forming up another downward trend. Okay, then from there, okay, from there we should be looking out for this area about 22 pips down there, about 22 pips. So your risk level should be about 8 pips against 22 pips of the profit. Okay, so let's see if that will actually still holding on to that. Okay. Okay, so well, let's see. Hang on first, because at the moment, okay, this looks like one area. Okay, how about our pound dollar? Yes, Sabrina, yeah, pound dollar. I know pound dollar is your favorite, huh? Okay, pound dollar. Let's check pound dollar. Looks like a pound dollar have touches the support here. Can you see? Right, touches the support and started to rebound back. Okay, so there's another area to look out for. Okay, let's see. So this is the area. Okay, over here. All right, this area here. So after this reclamation, okay, then we'll be coming back here for another 21 pips. Good chance for 21 pips. Okay. Pound dollar, there isn't any selling point here. Okay. Just now was just now was here. Okay. This candle. Okay, after the rejections, correct? After the rejections here, down to 20. Okay. So now this is actually setting up as a magnet. Okay, so it's going to pull back into a resistant area. Then after that, it will still be coming back into this area here. Okay, so let's wait for 124, 124. Let's wait for 124, 124 first. Okay, come back here, euro dollar. Alright, euro dollar. Well, euro dollar, as we can see, yeah, just now, yeah, so euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar over at this point here, same thing. Okay, we can see there's one rejections here and one rejections into these key levels here. Alright, which is good. Okay, so this area here, well, let's see if there's if this is going to form another resistance near into this area here. Okay, there's one area we can see from here to here. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this one area here. So we can see this is the rejections area here, huh? Okay. So we can still see. Okay. Still. If this candle is going to close below this area here, okay, into this area here, it will still be good. So source ceramic can still continue to hold if it close below this. So after it close below this, we will be looking into, wow, looks like we still have a roughly here another 9 pips to go. Okay, another 9 pips to go, and final will be about 16 pips to go. All right, okay, 9 to 16 pips. Okay, about 9 to 16. Okay, so this area, do take note, it will be a scalping area. Okay, this area will be a scalping area. Okay, so try not to hold too long. Okay, unless, of course, unless the situation shows that the breaking, okay, the breaking is there, the breaking of the support is there, then it should be good to continue the selling. Okay, it should be still good to go on for the selling. I am a scalper. Okay. Well, okay. That's good. That's good. We have a lot of scalpers here, huh? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I think okay, so do feel free to join in our Discord community. Okay, the link is up there, which just now earlier on I have shared. Okay, yeah, maybe I can pin this. Okay, let me replace the pinned messages. Okay, well, let's see if that Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Yep. Okay, the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, yeah, as you can see right now, we are so near to this area of support. So you can see it's actually retracing upwards now. Okay, yeah. Yeah, source ceramic. Oh, cool, I will join. Yeah, all right. Thank you. Hi, Kartik. Namaste. Nice to see you here. Okay. Anyway, we have just started this Discord. I think because of our viewers here. Okay, so I started off with this, but honestly speaking, I don't know how to use it. Okay, so guys, you will be my master to teach me how to. Okay, so yeah, so give me some time, okay, to get active in there. All right. Okay, so live streaming will be still here. Okay, but we will still keep some updates there and some sharing over there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, hi Saint, hi Felix. Thank you so much for coming. Hi Felix. Thank you very much. Okay, so do remember also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As usual, right? As usual. Yeah. Yes, Hubert. As usual, correct. Okay. Yeah. I have to ask for subscription. No, sorry, not subscriptions. I have to ask for subscribers. Okay, so euro dollar. Okay, looks like you know, as we can see, okay, euro dollar comes to a point into this area. Like it seems like this area is some impact of the resistance to to have some rejections for the price. Okay, we'll come back here later on to take a look at this. Sorry, wrong. Okay, so come back here later on. Okay, give it some time. We still have 1 minute to go. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over at this point here, still looking at about 124.124. 124.124, and let's see if this 124.124 will still continue to hit on this and to continue the selling down, so that in this area we can have about 26 pips of space to go. Okay, so guys, why am I always talking about the space? Why? Okay, because space is very important. Okay, space is very important. Why am I talking about space so much? Is because, okay, the space will give us a good gauge of a number of pips to take. Okay, so if we have let's say over here we have a space of 26 pips, do I really take 26 pips? Usually I have a discounted pips to take. Okay, like example 26 less of 20%. Okay, so I will only take about 18 to 19 pips. Okay, so before it hits on the support, I should be getting out of the trades. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so that's one point that I would like to highlight to everybody. Okay, so that you know that clearly that you don't have to sacrifice your trade just because of 1 or 2 pips when it's so near to your TP, and yet the TP is a support, correct? Okay, when you are selling, yes, you should be selling. You should be selling at the resistance after the confirmation. So there will be some space, am I right? So you in fact there's also about 20% space there. Okay, so from the resistance down about 20% after the confirmation, then when you start to swing down before it hits onto the support, you also give about a 20% up here. Okay, just in case, you know, like I always say, support is like a burning ground, the flame is burning up, all right, and our bloody ass is going to touch on the flame, you know, the heat is there and we can get bounced back. Okay. All right, so you know, then that's why I'm always giving a 20% up here, 20% down here. Okay, 20% for the confirmation, 20% for the flame burning our ass. Okay, so yeah, that's one of these okay, that we should be looking at. All right, okay, so over here, yeah, so that's the logic. Why am I giving a 20%? All right, euro dollar. Okay, come back here, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar, since it's actually coming into this area here, that means it's actually breaking into the area of resistance here. Then now we are testing into this area of resistance. Okay, so let's say, okay, this is going to close above. Okay, one is going to close above after it's set up. Okay, you can option one, once it close above, if you are conservative enough. Okay, if you are conservative, then once it close above, the next candle to open and go higher than the previous candle. Okay, then you call for a stop. Okay, call for a stop. Alternatively, if you are more adventurous, okay, you can wait for it to pull back into this area to set up a support. When you really set up for a support to go for a buy, then call for a stop. Okay, then call for a stop. All right, then you can call for a stop. Other than that, okay, if this is going to break back into this area here, you can continue to hold. Okay, then you can continue to hold to go down for another 22, right? About 22 pips, right? Okay, yeah, about 22 pips. Okay, so we don't have a very fixed so-called a fixed ratio. You don't fix the ratio. For me, okay, as a seller scalper here, I don't fix a ratio by 1:5 or 1:100. Okay, I always fix my stop according to the market situation. Okay, so if I'm selling from the resistance, okay, I'm selling from this area that forms a resistance here, then anything that breaks above my resistance, it shows this trade has a break of structure. So if there's a break of structure, it will go against me. So naturally, when it go against me, my first reaction is to call for a stop. Okay, do not pray to the God. Okay, do not pray to the God. Never do that. Okay. Okay, I used to do that. You know, I used to do that until I burst so many accounts. Okay, so never do that. All right. Okay, God give us some intelligence to read the market, so we have to obey that. Okay. All right. So give the rules. Okay, set the rules very clearly. So once it breaks above, close. If you're conservative, then for the next candle, if the next candle is going to close above higher than the previous candle, close the trade. Okay. Other than that, you can be, if you are adventurous enough, you can wait for it to come back to test to set out a support, then you close, because it may also have a chance that it can break below this area to go into the resisted area. Then okay, we can still continue to hold the trade. Okay, for example, like this, it closed above. Am I right? It closed above. So it closed above. Now candle is moving towards higher than this candle. Okay, then this 1035 candle. If this is going to go higher, close the trade. Okay, close the trade like now. Okay, if you're conservative, close the trade. All right. Okay, so there are people who are adventurous enough. Okay, they may be looking into coming back to set up any point and anything up here. Okay, then okay, they close. After it comes back, then they close, because there will be a last final chance for them to break below to go back into the resisted area. Okay, so whatever it is. Okay, so for example, if you're here, you are closing here, you are losing about 8 pips, 7 pips to 8 pips. All right, comparing down there with the projections of 22 pips of potential profit, well, I think it is still good to close. Okay, since market has actually showed that okay, this is going against us. Okay, it's going against us. Then don't hold it. Okay, don't hold it. All right. Always have faith in the market, not have faith in me. Okay, over here. All right. I heard people saying that, oh, come on, Eric, I have faith in you. Okay, I shall hold a trade. I mean, no, don't have faith in me. Have faith in the market, with the market. Okay, have faith in the market. All right, so put the faith in the market, not me. Okay, even myself, if I enter here, okay, when it go against me, yeah, I have to cut the trade. I cut the trade. Okay, so that I minimize the losses, but I maximize. Okay, I will maximize the profits. Okay, all right. So yeah, so for people who are adventurous enough, okay, if you're still holding on to it, okay, yeah, you see there's some rejections now. Okay, you can hold it until it set up a new support, then you close the trade. Okay, if not, there may be a good chance that it will still go back down into the resisted area. This is the resisted area. Okay, this is the resisted area. So anything below 106.92.6, you are still anything below here, it is still in the resisted area. Okay, guys, do you like my idea here? If you like my idea here, do remember to smash the like button. Okay. Okay, so yep. All right. Thumbs up for me, please, if you like my idea. Okay, yeah, so yeah. So at least I know, huh? So at least I know. Okay, so like now over here, like the adventurous one, okay, so you can see if this is actually holding down again. Now the adventurous one is holding down, then let's see if this is going to close below into this area. If the candle is going to close below into this area here, yeah, we still have a chance that it will still continue to go down for the selling. Okay, right, we can still use this euro dollar, okay, to share some knowledges here. Okay, to share some knowledge over here. All right. Okay. Yeah, anyway today I think it will be good to scalp the market. Okay. It has nothing to go for a swing. There's no sign to go for a swing for any of the currency, like the Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, Euro CAD, Euro dollar, pound CAD, pound dollar. Okay, so I don't see any swing opportunity there. Yeah. So yeah, just keep it this way. Yes. What? Can I repeat myself? Okay. Okay, then I shall repeat myself then. Okay. Well, over here, like let's say for the euro dollar, okay, for people who enter into this area here, right? So this is the resistance that created one entry for the selling over here. So let's say if this is going down, and as we can see below there, okay, we just now we projected a good 22 pips, am I right? A good 22 pips down there. So let's say we have a potential of 22 pips to get. But however, things may change, correct? Let's say things change like now, this way. Okay, so if this is going to break above the resistance, for the people who are conservative, then you wait for the next candle, this candle to close above the resistance. If the next candle to go above the last candle, higher than the last candle, then it's time for you to close. But for people who are more adventurous, okay, you can wait for the retesting, like an example here, this candle, now this red candle, if this is going to stop into this price of 106926, which is where the resistance is, to set up a support and also a buy signal, then it will still continue the buy. Okay, then after that you have to cut the trade, no matter what. Okay, why adventurous do it that way? Because we still have a chance to wait for the candle to close in below 106926 into the resisted area to continue the selling. Okay, to continue the selling down to our profit target. Okay, down to our target here, which is about 22 pips here. Okay, so the losses here, the losses of 8 pips versus 22 pips, well, you can use that as a gauge, okay, of your triple R. All right. Then also, okay, always use the market condition. Okay, I always use the market condition to set the targets for my profits as well as for my stop. Okay, yeah, so that is one. Okay, so that is one way. Okay, so I hope everybody can get it. Okay, so you have any question? Yeah, you have a question, you can ask me. All right, anyway, we are here to share. Well, as for euro dollar right now, it looks like pretty good. Okay, we are still fighting to stay within the below the resistance area level, so that we are still in the resisted area to continue the selling. Okay, yes, Sabrina, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Oh, looks like there's one area here. Usually I'll be waiting for this kind of wave to go for a selling. Okay, yeah, looks like it's still good. Looks like still good. Selling is still pretty good. Okay, but we are very near to the support, guys. Do remember this area here. We have about 15 pips, 13 to 15. Okay, about 13 to 15 pips. Okay, yeah, it's about 13 to 15 pips, huh? Yeah, 13 to 15 pips there. Okay, so hang on. All right. It looks pretty good, huh? For the pound dollar. Yeah, it still look pretty good. For the pound dollar. Yes. We are right now looking into this area here, pound dollar, still here. The target should be 123.852, 123.852, which is still good. Okay. 123.852. We should have about, oh, sorry. Oops. Oops. What did I click? Oh my god. Oh, my pound dollar. Where's my pound dollar? I accidentally closed my... Okay, hang on. Sorry guys. Okay, for the pound dollar. Did I actually close it? Oh no, I didn't close it. I shifted it. Okay, so come back here. Okay, yeah, I closed it. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's see. Let me set it up again. Let me check. I'm sorry guys, sorry. Okay, so let me plot it out again so that it's clear enough. Yes, sometimes things may happen. Exactly, yeah. Okay, so let's see, huh? Okay, so let's do this. Yeah. Okay, so Sabrina was talking about this area here. Okay, so let's see this area of resistance here. Okay, looks good here. For pound dollar, okay, hang on, because pound dollar. Okay, for pound dollar a little bit now. Let's hang on, okay, to see if this continue to hold as a resistance first. Okay, then there should be quite a good chance down there. But the space here is also about it's about 19 pips there. It's about 19 pips there. Okay. Hold on first. Yeah. Okay, euro dollar. Let's come back. Euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Let's see how's euro dollar is performing. Well, euro dollar. Well, Source Ceramics, are you still with your euro dollar? If you are still with your euro dollar, let's hold on first, okay? Because as I can see, euro dollar, we can see that tentatively euro dollar is holding below the resisted area. Am I right? Okay, we are holding below the resisted area here. Okay, so let's say if this is going to build another resistance in this area, okay, there will be a good chance there. Okay, there will be a good chance there. All right. Okay. Where? If this is going to hold below euro dollar, we are talking about euro, not pound dollar. It's euro dollar. Am I at euro dollar or pound dollar? Euro dollar, right? Okay, I'm at euro dollar. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Euro dollar. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have about 7 minutes to go. Okay, for the next H1 opening. Okay, I will be having my live streaming 2 hours each session, each time. Okay, all right. So after that, let's talk about some planning here for euro dollar. Okay, let's see. We are euro dollar over here. Well, if this euro dollar managed to go down, okay, to take the support, to set out the support at the price of 166.97, okay, I guess we should have taken the profit. Then from there, I guess all of us should be waiting, okay, should be over here. I guess we are all waiting for this price, because after this price that comes in here, highly likely, okay, it's going to reverse. Okay, there may be a good chance of reversal. Okay, so this one you also have to pay attention to. Other than that, okay, it should be, if this is going to break below, we still have a little bit of space down there to take. Okay, it's about another 15 pips, 15. Okay, about 15. Okay. Right, as for the gold, okay, let's take a look. As for the gold, you are in what, selling. My target is about 1937. Okay, 1937. So 1937 today, I think this area here, as for me, I see 1937. If that breaks below 1937, we have a lot of supports down there. There will be a lot of supports down there. Okay, so I would suggest that it's still good to take your profit at 1937.72, about 1937.72. Okay, then it's good to keep that profit first. Okay, highly likely. Okay, so around here, 1937.72, correct. Okay, so there will be one point here, okay, that I'll be looking out here for. If this is coming in, okay, to 1941.33, okay, 1941.33 is one level. Yes, okay, 1941.33, yes, that's one level. Okay, that will be one level to hold it down. If that breaks above, then likely it will still continue the buying. Okay, 1941.33. So 1941 to, if this is able to hold as a resistance, will be coming down to 1937. Okay, that will be a very good, that should be a very good one. Okay. Okay, so that's for the gold. Yes, pound dollar. All right. Pound dollar looks like we are actually coming in here to set up another, to test onto this resistance here. Okay, so if this able to hold it down, okay, then good chance down there. Okay, good chance down there to continue the selling. Okay, that will be a good 123.848. 123.848. 123.848. Okay. Yeah, 123.848. That's for the pound dollar, huh? Okay, that's for the pound dollar. Okay, so let's see. But things may change, okay, where let's say if the price stop here. Okay, let's say the price stop here, around into this region here, right, and started to consolidate. If this started to consolidate, okay, I guess it's not a good news. Okay, I guess it won't be a good news. So we have to observe this area here. Okay, why am I talking about this? Because you can see the swing down here. All right, there may be bound to have a place that is started to console. Okay, the consolidation, once it comes in, okay, that means they are ready. They are actually consolidate all the buying volume. Okay, the buying orders to go higher. So that is one point that we also need to pay attention to, okay, in this area here. All right, so that's for the pound dollar. So once it hits into the support here, okay, the price, my targeted price at 123.848. If this holds as a support, likely, okay, is going to rebound. Okay, likely it's going to rebound. All right, then we may be looking into some areas that reclamation may be coming in. Okay, but they need a support. They need a support to push. They need a support to push for the reclamation. Am I right? So at the moment, I still don't see any support yet. Okay, so they are still looking for they are still working very hard for the support. Okay, yeah, so just take note of this area as well. Okay, so take note of this factor. Okay, so next, euro dollar. Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Where are we now? Euro dollar. Well, euro dollar still looking good. We are still forming the resistance in the resisted area, which that will actually lead the price down, highly likely. Okay, by looking into this area here, right, a temporary selling down is a high, it's quite a highly possible, I would say. Okay, yeah, okay, still very good. Okay, H1 has opened. So H1 managed to break the support over here. Yes, we can see. Right, there's a support area here, right? Okay, this area. So candle has closed below and opened below this area. So very high chance that we are looking into selling right now for the euro dollar. Okay, so I hope the Source Ceramic, you are still with your euro dollar. Okay, so Man-wise, your euro dollar now is nice. Okay, now it's nice, it's good. Okay, looks good. Okay, so same thing. Okay, we are looking into this area selling down for euro dollar. If this is going to consolidate over into this area, which is good here. All right, the consolidation, if this is going to break out of this area, my box, okay, very good. Continue to hold it. Okay, then continue to hold it. All right, okay, then that will be quite good over there. Okay, so for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar looks good also because we have broke the support area here, as we can see. Yeah, market manipulated us, Eric. Okay. Okay, so this part here, please be careful with pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, let's see again. Let's check this out for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar still looking good in a way that now pound dollar, first of all we broke the support. They are looking, so by the support and resistance theory, once you broke the support, they are looking for a next lower support. Okay, they are looking for the next lower support. So the next lower support, as I can see over here, it should be looking at 123.848. Okay, so tentatively we are actually waiting for more to come in. Okay, we're waiting for more volume to come in. Okay, more liquidity to be taken down there. So over here, let's see. Okay, let's see over here. This area here, we are now about 9 pips away. About 9 pips away. Yeah, about 9 pips away. Okay, so hang on with this pound dollar. Looks like if this pound dollar, okay, we have one area here, as you can see, we have marked it out. This area here, if the candle is going to close below into this range, okay, it's a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign. All right, it's a good sign. But do remember, like I said, the pound dollar, okay, there may be some consolidation. If the sign of consolidation appears, okay, run as quickly as possible with your profits. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar over here. Okay, looks like it's also quite good, quite nice. Okay, over at this point here, we are now into this area, waiting for it to close out of the box, below the box here, then it will be better. Okay, then it will be better. Okay, so hold on with this. Okay, hold on with this. I think it's still good to go. Okay, euro dollar. Will euro dollar actually take the lead? Will euro dollar take the lead? I mean taking the lead for the Aussie dollar and the pound dollar to sell down. Oh, well, usually it will. Okay. Let's see. Aussie dollar. Well, no. Aussie dollar, no. Not for Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is already very. The situation for the Aussie dollar is already very near to the support. Okay, so in such a case, well, it depends because right now we may be into the area. Okay, we are into this area here. So there's only one concern for me, which is the consolidation. Okay, the consolidation is only my concern. Okay, over at this point here. All right. Okay, so next to go, let's see. Lastly, before I go, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over here, right? Pound dollar, let's take a look. How's the pound dollar is performing? Well, pound dollar over at this area here. Nice. Okay, so we broke the support here once again, and now we are having some. It's actually coming in. Looks like the consolidation is coming in, huh? Looks like, huh? Okay, so let's see if this is going to hold same area here. Okay, we have the same area here. If that is going to hold, okay, downwards, and if this is going to stop into the same area and it's not breaking through, and instead of breaking down, it set up a support, I would suggest everybody should quickly leave with some profits. Okay, if you have already entered. Let's say if you have already entered. Okay, yeah. All right, so that's one point for the pound dollar to take note. Take note of this pound dollar. Okay, so because this is the area that I'm more concerned about consolidation. Okay, all right. Yeah, correct. That's right, Sabrina. Okay. Consolidation is always one of the concerns. Yep, that's correct. Okay. Okay, so let's see and wait for this. Okay, this area here. Okay, if this is going to hold below and it comes back down to 123.913 and is still holding as a support, that means we are actually pretty near into the starting of the consolidation. Then it's good to leave the market. Don't fall into the consolidation. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so I guess more or less you should know what to do with that. All right, so lastly, again, euro dollar seems like with some rejections from the resistance here, which is still quite good over at this point here. Okay, so do remember to follow the plans, okay, that we have, and the ideas, my trading ideas we've shared with all of you. I hope that helps. Okay, so do remember, guys, to give me a thumbs up, okay, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel over here. All right, and lastly, I wish you good luck in your trading, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and with a lot of profit in the US market. All right. Okay, I shall see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck with bountiful of profits. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow.